Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you step by step how to delete a Facebook page in 2025. First of all, you need to remember that deleting a page is permanent, so make sure that you really don't need it anymore before going ahead. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to open your Facebook application, then you need to log in into your account. Over here, if you tap on the three lines in the top right hand corner of the screen, you are going to see the option of pages. So you need to select that particular page which you want to delete. So currently I'm here in this page which I want to delete. So you can tap on the option of that page and see whether you are using the right page or not. Now tap on this gear icon inside your page and it is going to redirect you here in the settings of your account. So over here you need to use the search bar in the top and search for remove. So once you search for the option of remove, you are going to see the option of removing your page. You can also switch to your profile view, then tap on the three lines in the top right hand corner again, then go to the settings of your account again and try to find the option of remove again. So over here, if you are able to find the option of remove page, simply select that and tap on the option of continue. Now Facebook is going to warn you that once deleted, your page cannot be recovered. So you can click on the option of delete page permanently, and then you can simply just provide your password if prompted, and your page will be entered into a 14-day grace period. Now during this time you can cancel deletion by visiting the page and selecting the cancel option, but after 14 days the page and all of its content will be gone forever. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.